In this video, I will help you find the best budget noise-canceling headphones in 2024. Links to all the products we mention in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. At number 5, we have Anker Soundcore Live Q30 Wireless Noise Cancellation. When it comes to noise cancellation, the Anker Soundcore Live Q30 wireless headphones excel in providing a serene listening experience. The hybrid active noise-canceling technology effectively blocks out external sounds, creating a cocoon of music or quiet for your enjoyment. What sets the Q30 apart is its ability to adapt to different environments, adjusting the level of noise cancellation to suit your surroundings. This feature ensures that you experience optimal sound quality no matter where you are. I appreciate the comfort these headphones offer during extended use. The plush ear cups and adjustable headband provide a snug fit without causing discomfort. The Q30's impressive battery life of over 44 hours with ANC turned on means you can enjoy uninterrupted music sessions without frequent recharging. Additionally, the option to customize sound profiles using the companion app allows for a tailored listening experience to suit your preferences. At number 4, we have JBL Tune 760 NC Wireless Phone Calls. During phone calls, the JBL Tune 760 NC wireless headphones deliver clear and natural voice transmission with their integrated mic. The ANC system effectively blocks out background conversations, ensuring that your voice comes through crisp and without disruptions. The neutral sound profile with a slight bass emphasis enhances the depth and warmth of your voice, making conversations sound more natural and engaging. With a long-lasting battery life of over 40 hours, you can rely on these headphones for extended phone calls without worrying about running out of power. While there's no companion app for sound customization, the out-of-the-box performance is impressive, especially considering the budget-friendly price point of these headphones. One thing to note is that the high clamping force of the JBL Tune 760 NC wireless headphones may be uncomfortable for glasses wearers during prolonged use. Despite this, if you prioritize clear call quality and effective noise cancellation in a budget-friendly package, these headphones are worth considering. At number 3, we have Razer Opus X Wireless Mobile Gaming. The Razer Opus X wireless headphones enhance the mobile gaming experience with their specialized features and design. As a gamer, I appreciate the gaming mode that ensures a low-latency connection, giving me a competitive edge in fast-paced games. The neutral sound profile with a touch of extra bass immerses me in the gameplay, making every sound crisp and impactful. With active noise cancellation that effectively blocks out ambient chatter, I can focus entirely on my gaming session without any distractions. The 68-hour continuous battery life is impressive, ensuring that I can game for extended periods without worrying about recharging frequently. While the integrated mic quality may not be the best for in-depth communication, it serves its purpose during multiplayer matches. Additionally, the companion app with EQ presets allows me to fine-tune the sound to my preference, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Overall, the Razer Opus X wireless headphones are a solid choice for mobile gaming enthusiasts looking for a blend of performance and convenience. At number 2, we have Anker Soundcore Live Q20 Wireless Budget. Exploring the budget-friendly realm of audio excellence, the Anker Soundcore Live Q20 wireless headphones offer impressive noise-canceling capabilities and a comfortable design for extended listening sessions. These over-ear, closed-back headphones deliver a neutral sound profile with an extra thump, ideal for those who enjoy a bit of bass emphasis. The active noise-canceling system performs admirably for its price range, effectively blocking out external distractions. With a continuous playback time of over 32 hours, these headphones are perfect for long trips or workdays without needing frequent recharging. Despite their hollow and plasticky build quality, the Anker Soundcore Live Q20 wireless headphones remain surprisingly comfortable even during extended wear. While they may lack advanced sound customization features found in more premium options, their overall performance and affordability make them a solid choice for budget-conscious consumers looking to enjoy their favorite tunes without breaking the bank. At number 1, we have Anker Soundcore Space Q45 Wireless Premium Performance. With exceptional sound quality and advanced features, the Anker Soundcore Space Q45 wireless headphones redefine premium performance in the noise-canceling headphone market. These over-ear, closed-back headphones offer a neutral sound profile with a V-shaped emphasis, providing a balanced yet immersive listening experience. The adaptive ANC system automatically adjusts to your surroundings, ensuring optimal noise cancellation in any environment. Comfort is key with the Anker Soundcore Space Q45 wireless headphones, making them ideal for extended use. The companion app allows for precise sound adjustments through a graphic EQ, giving you control over your audio preferences. Despite their impressive performance, some users have reported concerns about the durability of the yoke design, which may be prone to breaking under pressure.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can find the links in the description to all of the products we mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.